Is it possible to post later on BeReal? And yes, it's possible. You will get a notification once per day on BeReal. When this notification happens or pops up, nobody knows, so it's random, but all your friends will get it at the same time. And then you have a 2 minutes time slot to take your shot and post your BeReal. If you miss this slot because of work, of toilet, of sleeping, whatever, you can post later. Which means you can still post your BeReal, but you will have this message on the right side of your BeReal. So we have the bottom picture of Bratislava, which was posted yesterday at 11 a.m. about. And you have my BeReal above, which was posted 1 day late. So I posted my BeReal about 24 hours late because I just created this account, and by creating the account you can post the BeReal of the day. So you instantly have the possibility to post a BeReal. But your friends will also see this, so it's not as real as it should when posting about 4 hours late, because you could, for example, use some makeup or get in a comfy position, and that's not the idea of the app. The idea is that you just post what you see, just in the location you are, and if your friends see that you always post about 10 hours late, they might think that you are about to trick the system, kind of a way. Okay, yeah, but it is possible to post later on BeReal.